Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a Nokia C21 and we are gonna replace its broken screen. This is how the inside screen looks like. It contains multiple transparent layers which reflect light to the screen. Without wasting any more time, I used the tweezer to open its back cover. Then I used the screwdriver to unscrew all the screws. I started with the upper cover which covers the motherboard, then to the downer cover which covers the flex. I then quickly removed the battery and unplugged the main fibers of the screen. I gently placed a new screen and pinned its main fibers. I inserted back the battery in order to test the screen whether it works properly. I gently pressed the power button of the phone and the phone turned on, showing that the screen works fine. I then waited for the screen to turn on so that I have room to test whether the screen touch works fine. After finding out that everything works perfectly fine, I turned off the phone once again to permanently fix it with this new screen. I then removed the battery and fixed all the loose fibers correctly. Then later placed back the battery and then put back the upper cover that covers the motherboard. I placed back its corresponding screws and screwed them using a screwdriver. I then placed back the downer cover that covers the flex and put back the screws using a screwdriver. After all this, I placed back the back cover and used some rubber bands to tighten the screen so that it has enough time to stick on the phone. After that, I turned on the phone once again. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.